Is it on there? What? Hey guys, today me and my dad are at Price Park for the GPS being a little crappy since we just turned on the screen recorder, but today we are here at Jackson Park, and right now we are going to be walking through a blizzard. Yeah, it's a little tough. It's not too bad, but I just wanted to show you a little preview. The Super Bowl was great. Just tell me who you wanted to cheer for down in the comments below. But if I click CB comment power, my Dragonite 2 up top. Oh yeah, and I just powered my guys up. There's this little hack where if you click on your Pokemon and click power up, and then once it's one power away from its maximum, click the yes button with one finger, but then use 3 fingers on the yes button. Make sure all evened out, and then it still gives like 12 candies or so, but it goes 3 times over your level. So just say Dragonite Smash on CB is like 3,500. You can probably get it at 3,600. So yeah, that's what I did. And then I have a 500,000 starter spending spree. That was one of my Pokemon pretty strong in. I think I do have a 10K on the move, but it's only on like 3.7 maybe. So I just wanted it to tune in with my gang, and I might do a little 10 subscriber celebration. I don't know. Oh, more Pokemon. So basically, I just wanted to make another video. I kind of want to be a world famous YouTuber, but it's not going to happen anytime soon. So, Dad, where do you want to go, left or right? Right? Okay. Yeah. Do you want to battle the gym? Dad, do you want to battle the gym? Okay. 311 Pidgey. And yeah, I kind of want a strong Ditto. Like a really, really strong one. And Mr. Pidgey, please. Okay. Well, I found an Eevee. Oh, and yeah, I think might as well do a fun evolution while I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and evolve. Let's see. I'm going to evolve a really strong Bellsprout I just got straight up into a Victorybel. So I'm going to see how that goes. And then from my instantly grab a Venonat. So just stay tuned in for the evolution. I might do 1 or 2. Yeah, excellent. All right. Oh, dang it. Yeah, these geese let down landmines all over the place. Like, oh. Yeah, it's like, why do the geese have to poop right on the track and anywhere else? Hey, it's landmines. You can always keep your eye on the floor. Wait.
Halloween event where we had all the double candies.
Yeah, with all the double candies. And yeah, if you listen carefully, you can hear the hail hitting my jacket. Sorry. And yeah, I'm also really close to getting another golem. Yeah.
Do you have a 100 IV Geodude?
Nope, not yet. I got 95 candies. I can probably transfer some. All right, just before I go,
6.
Pokemon number. It's time to evolve the Bellsprout.
Yeah, I was trying to get you another epic Victorybel.
All right, 701 Bellsprout. I'm just gonna check the IVs. Appraise is pretty decent. Attack, best. The stats are best I've ever seen, no doubt about it. It's about 80 or 70 part. All right, let's go.
Do you have any?
I'm already evolving 700 CP. What I'm hoping for is Razor Leaf I actually want Razor Leaf and Sludge Bomb. I want a really high CP defender. There's the Weeping Bell. You can literally get them up to like 1,300 or so. Mine's 1,161. Right. So now, Dad, here comes the Victorybel. Remember your first 1,400 CP Victorybel?
No, I still like him.
Do you still have him?
Yeah.
There he is. 1,800. Acid. I got Acid and Solar Beam. Acid and Solar Beam's a pretty decent moveset, and now we can go ahead and go under your EVIV found candy. Oh yeah. Man, Dad. Did you see how many Geodudes are here? 759 CP Geodude. I'm not gonna miss him. I better dry this off because it kind of. Oh. Oh. Okay. I have this on my right. Oh, come on, he fled.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I kept
Alright. Because I heard that like.
put it on
Whoop. So I'm just trying to get this glove on so my hands aren't so cold.
the middle finger will stick out if you want to use that.
I need to like.
Oh, you're going in already.
Kabutops. It's not responding.
Use the middle finger, stick it out.
Okay.
Just,
Magic Purple 100. Okay.
are we both going in?
No, just me. It's fine. So yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and battle this gym. I think I've gotten a lot better with gym battling. I don't really have to dodge these Kabutops attacks because they're just really weak. Kangaskhan.
Somebody must have went to Australia.
Yep. Or they use the GPS hacking. Yeah, and Dad, there's also Mr. Mine at the top of this gym. Right after this.
You think it's bots fighting this gym then? There's a Rattata outside the gym that's a Ditto.
Really?
Yeah. You can run or just finish him off and then you can catch it after you.
Go, come on, please.
It's a pretty high CP.
Mr. Mine. He's just creepy looking.
He's probably gonna spawn more too in Europe because he's pink.
Yeah, okay. Now let's go get that Ditto. I was literally hoping for Ditto today. Okay. Where is he?
Just
Where's he?
Nathan, it was over here.
Where is he? Alright, here's the closest Rattata. He's just over there.
No, that's not the one I caught. Maybe if you walk down this way, Nathan.
Okay.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Back that way. Walk that way.
Oh, boy, I saw him.
Huh?
I see him. Alright, see a Rattata. 20 CP. He might be it or he might not be. Come on, you Rattata. Yup. Do you notice that the ones that are Dittos dodge a lot more?
Look, I'm riding a bull.
Yep, and you're right. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to Ultra Ball him because I'm not taking any chance with this Ditto. Or this might not be the right Rattata, but I'm just going to Ultra Ball him. You never know, it might be a 400 CP Ditto. Is he a Ditto? Oh.
Oh, my.
Yep. He's not my first Ditto, but at least I got another one. Ditto was caught. Okay. 25 CP. Hey, I got 85 Ditto candy.
Wow.
Okay. That works out pretty well. Actually, I want to use my Ditto. I'm going to use my high CP Ditto. Instead of my Beast of an Alakazam going in, I'm going down to the very bottom of the list, or really close to the bottom. I think it's like... Alright. I think I've got a 565 CP Ditto. right after these Tauroses. Here they are. 566. Now I just want to show you how big of a beast this thing is. Just have to dodge the first few moves. Ready? 2,000 CP Kangaskhan.
Oh, wow. These can probably beat that guy then. I'm showing your viewers what Ditto looks like
Yep.
in the gym.
Yep, see if you have a beast of a Ditto, Earthquake. And I'm attacking with my middle finger, so I'm not that too accurate.
Some guy up in the Cleveland Pokemon Go group caught a 2,800 Dragonite in the wild.
Really?
Yeah, the highest one I've ever caught was 2,605 on that Nate's Dragon or whatever
Okay.
it was.
Just Earthquake it. Oh.
They did pretty good.
See, just... Alright. Just keep on spamming lick.
Oh, somebody's attacking this gym.
Hyper Beam. Psychic does a tiny amount of damage. Alright. I win and it goes down to no team. And I think I'll add my... Now... I'll add my high CP Vaporeon. Who are you gonna add?
I might add a Chansey to give people... Oh, it won't let me in yet.
Add your highest CP Chansey. What's your highest CP Chansey?
I'll have to find out.
Oh yeah, my top Dragonite was at the top Pokemon in the Super Bowl. Just tell me if you saw a 2,203 CP Dragonite. Yeah, just tell me if you saw that Dragonite named
Ditto in there.
Yeah, just tell me if you saw that Drag 82 at the top of the gym, okay? So, alright. Dad, ready to continue? Alright, let's see if that CP hit that Chansey.
Nathan, my best one might be fainted right now. I'm having trouble finding it. So
Here, I'll just move on. What?
I'll put my top Porygon in there.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Let's see Mr. Porygon. Yep, there's this Porygon. Yep, and that guy's going into Porygon 2. Yeah, and I think in the 5th generation, this 5th generation, Porygon Z comes out.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Or
Everyone is so stoked about getting a blissing soon.
yeah, and are they in this? And it's attacking up by a bunch. What? How much is it attacking up by? The Bliss.
Well, I don't know a lot of the details.
I mean, I really hope it's gonna be like ultra strong. Overall, I did get a curveball and excellent throw. And I did. Alright. So, I don't know, there might be another Ditto.
I got a Venomoth on my... Look, I got 1334 Venomoth on a incense.
Those are actually quite rare. Okay. I got the Pokestop. Now I'm gonna catch the... Alright, I'm just gonna see if he's a little more feisty. Well, he is a 200 CP. Alright.
Water's making it hard to throw, but I got it.
Well, if you want some water, let's go.
Yeah, no, I don't need water. It was on my screen.
Yeah, I think it's a Rattata and Geodude nest.
Oh, the snow's starting to stick now. We're literally playing Pokemon Go in the blizzard. The grind is real.
Yep.
You know, you're still screen recording right there, just a mentor.
Yep.
You need to tell your subscribers about this is the road to level 33. Right?
Yeah.
That's a powerful.
Yeah. Yeah, number 33 is my true lucky number, and I'm always trying. Dude, did you know that on the last 5 fortune cookies I ever had, all of them had 33? No, all of them had 34. And I'm like, are you serious? That's the 5th time in a row.
His reversal, actually, when he got to level 33, that's when he started his YouTube series, Road to Level 34. That was his first series of Road to the next level. So you can start that soon. You're going to be on reversal's path soon.
Yep.
By the way,
Mr. Kakuna, hello. Why do Kakunas have like red circles on them? Or orange, I mean.
oh, you got to check your Pokemon because I caught a beast of one for you recently. It was
How? What's just
326 CP.
Kakuna?
He had good IVs. So you could evolve him into whatever he turns into.
I don't think the plants are liking that.
What's it feel like?
The mud? Kind of sticky. Yeah, and if you're just to stand on it. Yep. It's just normal mud. Dad, imagine what the mud is like on the field. Dad? What's worse, the mud on the field right now or possibly the mud on right here?
It's sticky, I'm sure.
Yeah, one time I just stuck my foot in there and I was literally having trouble getting it out. Like, Jesus, Kakuna's tough. Alright, now I'm gonna up my chances by about 10, maybe 30 or 40%. Dad? You know what I really like? When they knock away the Pokeball and it just rolls off the screen.
Yeah. I hate it when I throw it and it stops, falls right in front of him and then just rolls around and you barely miss him. Sometimes it'll bounce off of the ground and get him. I guess maybe I need.
And I hate when you also try to hit the run, but whoa, there's a lot of Pokemon.
I guess I needed to grind some Pokemon.
Oh, I think
360.
I got 210 XP. Nope, it's definitely increasing the wind speeds. Dad. What?
Grandma Bear today said if she saw 300 CP Weedle in the wild, she'd freak out. She said that little guy is stupid.
Yeah. And I found another Geodude.
Oh, wow. This is a 297. What? You shouldn't be breaking out a green ball, really.
3. Oh, come on, you Eevee. Yeah, during events they make the Pokemon so much harder to capture and it's annoying.
Remember I got mad at that one Weedle of yours, an Ultra Balded Weedle Beast, remember that?
Yeah.
I put that fight up there with the Dragonite. That was the most.
Yeah, we call him Weedle D.
Yeah, that was the biggest battle in history for a Weedle against a Weedle.
Yeah, I bet. What if there was a 30-minute fight against a Weedle before?
Yeah,
Dad, look at that thing!
What is it?
A 941 CP.
Ultra Ballad and.
No, whoops! Accidentally threw a Pokeball.
Well, hopefully he won't run anywhere.
Oh,
No.
here.
God
What?
darn it. Did he run?
Yeah.
You'll see him again.
Oh. Dad?
Huh?
Can we walk straight to that post stop to get another Geodude?
Nathan, let's just keep our patience. They're all over the place. Are you done recording?
Here. Yeah, we're going through that.
Huh?
I'll just do the last stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this little episode while we're just walking in kind of like a blizzard. Not really. I think it's just the storms of brewing right now. I think we've already experienced some pretty badness, but we were just on the back of it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my first live stream of 10K. I just wasn't patient enough to see the last one. So see you later. Bye.